Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So in this video I also just would like to focus on the most imminent price action, and what we can see is we broke out of this, we call it channel, in this wave C. So just taking a look here at this most imminent price action, where are we? If you want to see the big picture, take a look at my previous video from yesterday. And however, where are we now? So from the high here at around $2,030, we came down in what I believe was a wave 1, a wave 2, we came down in a 3, and I think we are now in the wave 4. I cannot rule out that we have already seen the low here. I can't rule it out at the moment. Both possibilities, but a break above the 1740 level would, in my opinion, allow us to lean more towards that scenario, that the low was already in, and then we can expect some further upside in either a wave B or in an impulsive move to the upside that will take us above $2,030. But I find that the least likely scenario, that we will break above $2,030 without making one more low here in the wave C. For now, it's important to see what is happening here. So in the most imminent short term, I do expect here a breakout to the downside. I expect one more low. I said that yesterday. I do expect us in this wave 5 of the wave A of a 3-wave move. A, B, C. I think we are now in the wave A. And if we are in the wave A, I would expect one more leg down. And this is for me the best way to count this. It's all about likelihoods. But if we go impulsively above 1740 and we got pretty close, then could very well be that we are breaking out already without making that one more low. What I really find interesting, days ago I showed you this 1725 level. The 1725 level was based on taking, basically the perfect relationship between wave A and wave C. So it is the 1.618 Fibonacci extension level. And can you see days afterwards how we came to that level? We missed it by a couple of dollars. Some of that might be due to the inaccuracy of measuring, but I find that pretty close, And that for me just confirms that it could be that the local peak was reached here and we are heading down. The next indication that we are heading down is that we broke the 2-4 line. I think I mentioned it yesterday in the video that the 2-4 line here of this wave C is a very important indicator and is basically the earliest evidence that we are breaking down. The earliest evidence, and to be honest, also that move down is in 5 waves already. So it really is giving us a hint that we will come down further. What needs to happen now is for the bears to break now the 1652 level next. That could come in a head and shoulders pattern maybe. You already see your left shoulder here. That might be the head. We might see now one more move up, a rejection of this support level here, and then moving up again, moving down, making a head and shoulders, and then coming down further. And that could take us then to the next support here at the wave 4 low at 1606, then 1566, then 1530. And I've always said, ideally I would like this 5th wave, which would be an impulsive wave down in the wave A. I would like this to reach the area between 1440 and 1465. If anything goes lower than that, something more bearish is going on, and we need to review the higher level assumptions. But as soon as we hit here the low, I would expect us to go up in a wave B and then come down in a C. And the wave B will be able to calculate when we know more closely or in more detail where the wave 5 is going to end. At the moment, if we said, okay, let's say, and by the way, and that's the other point, 1725 level, you can see how the wave 4 retraced, and that is even more accurate, how the wave 4 retraced perfectly to the ideal retracement level of a wave 4, which is the here 1720. Perfect. The 38.2% Fibonacci level. I always say that is the ideal retracement for the wave 4, and we got rejected. So it's not evidence, but it's the first, or it's a really good indication that we are heading down and we're getting rejected. Now take a look at the chart. We have not yet made a lower low. That is what we need to see. We need to go below this low, what I said, below 1651 or 1652. Okay, so if we say, all right, maybe that low wasn't, and then we might over the trading session break above 1740, what would then be the next key resistance? For me, it would be a move all the way up. First of all, and that's the problem, you know, there's no point probably going long if you wait for that, because we've got the moving average here. That's a key resistance level. But it's up to you, of course. You know, I'm not telling you what to do, but I always try to buy at support. Yeah, at support. Which I did down here. Not ETH in this case, but ADA, Bitcoin, and Sand, I think it was. And just to understand my thought process, I thought we either have seen the low here already, or there might be one more dip. And I'm happy to buy and then either sell here in a wave B, or when we go up higher. Yeah, that's sort of my thought process after I took some profits up here, which I also talked about in these videos. Yeah. I'm happy to already buy. I bought some more, not ETH in this case. Yeah, I reused these profits to buy ADA and Bitcoin, but it doesn't make a difference. They move similar in similar waves, not in the same waves, very important. But overall, I had a few questions. When do I buy ETH again? So I will buy ETH when we get into this region. Yeah, that is between 1440 and 1230, but probably not straight away. I want to see how the price develops in this region. This is the region where I would expect it to reverse out from a wave C. Yeah, over wave 2 into a wave 3 impulse to the upside. So this will be the important level where the impulse, the correction overall should be over, and we should then see a move here to the upside. But I will be able to specify that area a little bit further in the coming days. Okay, and that's my update about Ethereum. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And I hope I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.